How does a material change affect child support orders? Imagine your life takes a turn and suddenly your financial situation or your child's needs change. You might wonder how this impacts your child support agreement. Well, when something significant happens that lasts a while, it can be a reason to ask the court to change your child support order. This is called a material change in circumstances. It means a big change that affects how much money is needed for the child's care or how much a parent can pay. Some common examples include if a parent loses a job or gets a new one with a different salary. If a parent's income goes up or down a lot, it can change what they should pay. Changes in custody or visitation can also matter. If the child spends more time with one parent, that parent might need to pay more or less support. If the child's needs change, like if they develop a medical condition or need special education, support might need adjusting. Family changes like remarriage or having more children can also affect support. Moving to a new home that makes transportation costs higher or lower is another example. If a parent faces big new expenses like medical bills or debts, that can be a reason to ask for a change too. When these changes happen, the parent can ask the court to review and possibly change the support order. They usually file a formal request explaining what changed and why the current support no longer fits. The other parent gets notified and can respond. Sometimes, the court suggests mediation to try to reach an agreement before a hearing. If they can't agree, the court looks at the evidence and decides if support should be increased or decreased. For someone reentering society after being in prison, understanding how changes in income or living situation can lead to a modification is very helpful. If a parent loses a job or gets a new one, they can ask the court to adjust payments to match what they can afford now. Changes in housing or custody after releases can also impact how much support is fair. Knowing these rules helps returning citizens stay on top of their legal responsibilities and avoid problems. In short, a material change in circumstances gives the legal reason to update child support orders. It makes sure the support stays fair and reflects the current situation of the parents and the child's needs. This process keeps support arrangements flexible and fair over time.